TrainMon 5 contains within itself an entire package of icons that can be used to represent a variety of things throughout a layout. This package set comes from the Glyphicons icon repository and can be used to generate any icon in a layout. These icons can represent anything from power or bulb outages to map markers for places of interest, food, museums, etc. Adding symbology to a layout is relatively straightforward. For example, let's create a power outage symbol for a station. To do this, select the text block tool and then click an open area where you want to place the icon. We will use the following HTML code, and I will explain what each part means as we go. Now, before we go any further, I would like to mention that if you have a programmer's text editor application like Notepad++, development will be a lot easier. Using the HTML language and the autocomplete settings will really help reduce the chance of making an error when creating HTML code. I personally use Notepad++, which can be downloaded at notepad-plus-plus.org. So to create our power outage icon, we will create a span element. Next, we will add two different attributes to this element. The first attribute we will add is called the class attribute, and the other is the style attribute. Notice that each attribute is followed by an equal sign and a set of double quotation marks, both of which are required in the HTML markup language. Now, within the first set of double quotes, for the class attribute, we will add some predefined classes that come directly from the Glyphicons icon repository. The first class we will add is the base class, and that class is called Glyphicons. Then we will add another class that will target the exact symbol we are wanting to create, which in this case would be Glyphicons Flash. We are going to copy this code back into our layout editor text box and then click the Save button. And with that, we have now created our first icon. Now, let's do the same thing again, except this time let's create a light bulb icon to represent when a bulb has burned out. We are going to use the exact same code again, except only this time we are going to change the symbol identifier from Glyphicons Flash to Glyphicons Light Bulb. And this is a high-level overview of how to create icons. There are many more icons to choose from, and for a complete list of icons that are available for use, please visit the wiki page for TrainMon 5 on groups.io.